I'm Raquel Casity. I'm the general manager and one of the owners of Oak Ridge Winery in Lodi, California. We're standing in the vineyards of Casity Farms, and all the acres here in this vineyard go to Oak Ridge Winery.
I'm Bryan Casity. I'm the owner of Casity Farms here in Lodi, California. This region is good for growing grapes because you got cool evenings and warm days. You get the delta breeze off the water that cools the vines in the evening.
We store 8.8 million gallons of wine. Our case goods sales, we hope to get to 1 million cases in the next 5 years. That is our goal as a family.
I've been installing Rainbird drip hose in my vineyards for the last 4 years, but I've been installing it for other people for about 15 years. I like Rainbird hose because I can choose my emitter spacing, and most importantly, I can get my clips pre-installed on my hose, which makes installation a lot faster. Rainbird plays a role in ensuring that my kids and my grandkids will be able to continue farming this land for many years to come.
It's very special to see that our business keeps carrying on because I couldn't see us doing anything else in our lives. I hope we see it continue with our children and our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren.
I like working with my family, my wife, my daughter, my son-in-laws. It's a family business. Everybody's involved in it in one aspect or another. Family's most important, so that's how we do it. The future's operation looks good. It'll continue going for generations to come.